Alright guys, Gocart. They ate up the belt. And I already took the old belt off. And I was going to show you guys how ate up it was, but the wife already threw it out. So I'm going to show you how to install this belt. This is a Coleman. And it is a KT196 Gocart. And we're going to be installing this new belt. It has arrows on it that must go towards the engine, this side to engine. So how I install it, I just put this on here like this and get it going here and move the Gocart, and it should just pop right on there. I'm gonna have to hold it on there a little bit while you move it. There it goes. Why are we stopping the cord in here? And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching videos, guys. Please like, subscribe, share, comment. You all know what to do. See ya.